Hello, my name is Nakell from Mr. B's class, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use matrices to decrypt and encrypt messages. Now right here we have our message made from numbers and letters. The letters equal numbers like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, all the way to Z, which is 26, and spaces are zeros. I'll put up a chart right about now so you guys can get the full thing, and now it's gone. Woo, magic. Anyways, so here we have our code to encrypt and decrypt the messages. Our code is 12, 2, 3, and 10. We got that code from the months of our birthdays. We got a little creative with that one. And now I got a friend named Madison who she's going to explain how to get the encrypted message using these two items provided.
Now I'm going to show you guys how to get the encrypted message. So here you see we have our code and we have our original message. So now we're going to multiply the two. So we're going to multiply this by this, and that's how we're going to get our encrypted message. And later on in the video, we're going to show you how you would do that on a calculator and how you would plug it into it. And so this is what we get. You multiply the code by the message, and you get 168, 218, 18, all the way through. And now we're going to go to Landon to show you how to get the inverse of the code.
Hello, my name's Landon. I'm going to show you how to get the inverse of our matrix code. So right here you can see the original matrix code, and right here you can see where it shows the different steps we have to take. So the first step is we got to switch the signs of both 3 and 2. So 3 will become negative 3 and 2 will become negative 2. And right here we have to switch the places of 12 and 10. Whenever you do this, the 10 will be in the 12's place and the 12 will be in the 10's place. And that will give you our inverse of our matrix code. 10.
Hello, my name is Nakell McCormick, and I'm going to show you how to get back to our original code. So my friend Landon already showed you how to get the inverse of the code. So we're going to times the inverse by the encrypted messages to get our decrypted messages, which we explained in the first part.
So now I'm going to show y'all our logic behind getting our original message. So as you can see down here, our original message is Mr. B, you fail. Bye. So Mr. B likes to play jokes on us and say that we fail, and he'll put bye sometimes, which actually he did to us when we were practicing on how to do this project. So you know what? We decided we were going to turn it around, flip the script, and say, you know what, Mr. B, you fail. Bye.
Go. Now that we have done this on the board and show you guys how to get encrypted and decrypted messages, we're not going to show you guys how to do this on a calculator, because that's how you're going to multiply these numbers to get what you're getting. So first we're going to go to second, and then we're going to go to matrix. See how the matrix blue, second is blue? That's how you're going to get to that. Now you have names, math, and edit. Names is where you're going to enter it in and multiply them all together. Edit is where you go to edit the matrix. So we're going to matrix A, press enter. Now we're going to make this into a 2 by 9, because that's what our matrix is. I'm going to do the first three numbers just to show you guys how this works. So our first three numbers are 13, then we're going to have 18, then we're going to have 0. Now I'm going to go and skip to where I put all the numbers in, and then we're going to show you guys steps after that, okay? Now we have all of our numbers entered into our matrix A from 13, 18, 0, 2, 0, all the way down to our 2 by 9 code. So now we're going to do second and mode, which as you can see is blue, is quit. So now we're back in the main area. Now if we do matrix again, we'll go over to edit. Now we're going to do matrix B, which is going to be our 2 by 2 code. So it's going to change this top to the 2 by 2, and you're going to use these 4 to move between the numbers. Now go down, and now we're going to enter our code, which is 12. Then it's going to be 2, then it's going to be 3, and then it's going to be 10. That is our code. Now we're going to do second quit again, and this time we're going to go back to our matrix, and now we're going to use the names area to enter in these two matrices to get our code. So first we're going to start off with B, which is our code. You have to put that first, otherwise it won't work. Then you have to go second matrix again, this time put A. Now we have B times A. That is our code times our message. Now let's go ahead and enter that. And now these are the numbers that were on our board as shown earlier. Now that matrix is full of our numbers from our new encrypted message, we're now going to show you how to go back to the original message that we had earlier. So I'm going to do second quit, and there was that before. Now we're going to do second matrix, and now we're going to put in our code. Now the reason we did the inverse of the code on the board is to show you how to do this on a calculator. So now that we have our code, inverse is going to be this x minus 1 to the negative 1 power, I guess you could call it. Let's go and click that. Now we have that means it's inverse. Now we're going to multiply this by See, let's go matrix again, and then this time we're going to do our C, which is our new encrypted code, and we should get our original message starting with 13, 18, and 0. There it is, 13, 18, 0, 2, and all of our numbers